We get it. Client work is hard, and everyone on your team has their own way of working. Some people are careful organizers, with lists for the labels for their lists, carefully labeled. Some people are big picture thinkers, focused on big outcomes and only barely noticing the steps to get there. But one thing is true, projects only get done when all types of people figure out how to work together. 2020 has taught us to be flexible in how and where we work, but it hasn't taught us how to get better at getting things done. One great way to work together on projects is with a kanban board. This collection of columns and notes lets you visualize your tasks and organize them as they move along a set path. In a perfect world, every goal would have its own board to track tasks. Some apps offer boards for client work, but users still have to do most of their work on the project board, with columns designed by someone else. It would be better to let each teammate organize all their tasks across all projects in a single place, just for them. That's what Dendri does. Every time a task is assigned, it's synced to your dashboard's inbox. From there, you can move it into any column you can dream up. To do, in progress, or fire-breathing dragons, whatever you need to organize your world. And from the dashboard, you can update the task on the project page without ever leaving your comfortable columns. All of this can be tracked below the board in a history table that also contains all your files, calendar entries, notes, and documents. It's everything you need to do, supported by everything you need to know. In addition, Dendri's dashboard has a task period journal. Here, you can track your to-dos outside of any project, like preparing the marketing presentation or checking BuzzFeed. As you get your work done, or don't, make notes about how it's going. At any time, you can save your status as a journal entry. Then, when it's time to meet up with your team, you can bring your reflections and talk about what's getting in your way. Over time, you'll learn what's holding you back and where to focus. It's a way for you and your team to learn to be more effective by doing what works. Dendri is for teams who work together, not the same.